Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone in Evony. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the three horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Tap on Friends option. Here in the search bar, you can type in the name or ID of the person that you want to add. Then tap on Add Friend option. Now after this person accepts your friend request, he or she will be added as your friend. So that is how you can add someone in Evony. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.